What's going on, people? Today I have some new black lights I want to show you. Got these off of Amazon. Pretty awesome. These are made by Quan's. I don't know if you can see that right there. They're just little 10-watt lights, black lights. So I normally fish in the front. I have rods set up in the front here and in the rear, back over here. Let me show you the view of where the light's gonna be pointed at and how it's gonna be directed towards the rods to light them up. For the rods, I plan to buy some fluorescent tape. I actually have the fluorescent tape on order, and I'm just gonna wrap just sections of the rod so it'll light up with this black light. So this should be pretty awesome. Right here, I plan to mount it in an area that won't be in the way on this side, at least on the front side. So what I found was I have this hatch here, and this hatch houses my my live well setup. The pump's in there and some wiring, and also it has the switch to pump out water and all that good stuff right here. So anyway, I was thinking the best solution to keep it out of place, keep it out of the way, would be mount it right here. So then when I'm not using it, it goes down, and then boom, it's gonna sit just like that. And I can angle it up towards the front of the boat. And see that the view will be right over here to light up these rods. You usually have about 4 rods in the front, and I usually have about 2 rods in the back here on these rod holders. Got one here. I got 3 rod holders back here all together. I might do something different this year and may get one of those multi bars, so have 3 rods, do the 90-degree type of angle ones right here. You can imagine what that would look like. So I might get rid of that one and just put a 3 rod holder right there. Get rid of that. Yes, it is. It's a mess. Anyway, these shouldn't take much of a draw on the battery. It's only 10 watts. So this is rated for 24 volts. It's 12. This is rated for 12 to 24 volts. Cool little light. I got 2 of these from Amazon. I think it was 2 for about $30. Very cheap. Should be effective. So let's go ahead and get this guy mounted right here. I need to find some stainless hardware and just screw into here. Find a power source. I do have a switch already that operates these. Anyway, here's the concept. Check out the concept here. Check this out. Boom. I need lights. La.
Oh yeah.
La 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 la. That is gonna be awesome.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just like that. Isn't that cool? There you go. Now, next thing to do, I gotta run some wires over to that same circuit that was on the black light strip. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll be right back. Sorry for all the dogs barking in the background. Oh, by the way, I'm just stripping these cables back. I'm just stripping these wires back. Sorry about the dogs. Next door neighbors have huskies and they just bark a lot. I guess that's what huskies do, apparently. These are heat shrink wire butt connectors. Heat shrink butt splices. So do a little black to black. Trim that. Trim that. Tighten those up. Go ahead, crimper positive. That's that. I just gotta heat shrink that. And that's that. Now I'm gonna move over here to the back. I think I'm gonna run this cable through here, all through here, comes up through the console. This is my console right here. I'm gonna have to take these screws off, pop this down, and then wire it into the cabin light circuit. I'll go ahead and do that. All right, voila, done. So this one's wired into the cabin light. Let's take a look. And sure enough, it's on. Oh yeah. Try to see. It's pretty bright out. All right. So I got that one for the front. I gotta figure out the best. Got the one in the front mounted. I gotta figure out the best placement for the one in the back and get that wired in. So I know my connection point as far as electrically where the connection point is already. Already checked on those details. And then gotta figure out what's gonna be the best mounting location for this. So let me go take a look at that. All right, looking at the situation, change of plans. I'm gonna save the other light for when I redo the rod holders in the back. I think I'm going to go ahead and put a rod rack, something maybe around here. It'll come up, go across and back down, come up, go across and then back down there. And then I can have like 3 rod holders about yay high. It won't be in the way of the motor, and that's gonna look awesome. Anyway,
a few moments later.
looks pretty good. Look at that. Oh yeah. There's the other rod. Another angle. Gosh, that looks good. Perfect. Okay. That looks good. Nice.